si ex na move on, naman mag-move on ka na din. So lagi, bakit pang left and right? Eh, lagi nag-re-react. Tanda natin si May Pelea. Huwag ka naman mag-reject. Pag may mag-message in the morning na, yung eat na po, yung breakfast na po, may sabihin mo, yes. In a while, thank you. Hindi yung replyan mo na, of course, mag-breakfast ako. Ano ibig sabihin na, well, of course, mag-breakfast ako. Ba't na magtanong? Kaya, palitaan news, kanyan mo. She's enjoying. Sabi nila, when you're single, sa kanya na ulit ito ha. Sabi nila, when you're single and you're seeing couple, you see them like a happy couple. But when you're married and you see singles, you will see them a happy singles. So, choose which one. Ano ka doon Yeah, so, please, we should learn to let go kasi hindi yan sikreto sa buhay. Pag na-reject tayo today, just face it. Isipin mo lang, think positively. Right? Na? Hindi pa panahon niya. Bukas panahon niya, wala na siya ni Lord. But, hindi pa siya ready, possible, di ba? Wala pa siya pera na tayo. Hindi yung lagi, yung iba nga, nag-dream pa. Ito, I remember, may download kami sa Dubai noon. Best friend niya, kasi nga, we expect too much from our closest. Hindi na-join, sinabihan pa siya, girl, akala mo matalino ka. I was to the same line din when I joined. Kala ko matalino ka, nag-join ka sa mga ganito, pudol-pudol, mali Tapos itong, bago namin nag-sign up, downline ni Pinaya, hindi mapakali kasi sobrang sakit ang ramdaman niya na at the same time, pag-uwi niya, nag-isip siya, mag-back-out ako, paano ba to, in-enjoy na to, baka totoo yung sinasabi niya. O hindi, sinasabi na, nakikita ko yung mga successful na tao legit, totoo itong network marketing Tsaka itong company na tayo, totoo. Pagtulog niya, na naginip siya, sinaksak na best friend niya. Kinabukasan, nag-message sa akin. Miss, grabe ko. Ano itong klaseng negosyo man? Nag-drain ako sa best friend kung hindi sumali, sinaksak ko siya. Ay, kasi talaga mo. Just learn to let go. Okay? Learn to let go. Matuto ka instead. Move on. Next. Para lang din yan sa relationship na sabi ni SJD, Alfred, tumatawa, smile ka agad. Diba pag nasasaktan tayo, i-accept mo, tapos mag-forgive ka, tapos i-let go mo, and then mag-move on ka, and then you will fall in love again. Yeah! Ganyan lang yan sa negosyo, di ba, may soul? So learn to let go, okay? Yeah. Then next tayo. Meron tayong tawag na 5 SWs. Basic ito, di ba? You missed this one already. But that's our basic. Ibig sabihin po, sa negosyo natin, some will join. Some won't. So what? So what? Hindi naman so what? Na parang sarcastic na mahaway. Hindi naman so what? Hindi naman it's okay. It's okay, di ba? Start working. Someone else is waiting. Sabi ko nga kanina, life is a series of numbers. May mga araw na no. Yes na yan. Diba? And once you build this business, ang kagandahan lang, once you become successful, iba na kasi hindi lang no, yes, kasi ano naman, you're having fun. Work. Fun. Work. Yung explain ni SGD Adrian kanina na pag yung law of leveraging, once you get to experience law of leveraging, I'll tell you, you would wish and you would pray 10 years ago, you could have no network marketing. I've used verbally. True. Start working. Someone is waiting. But whenever you get rejected, please, Sino nagsabi ka na si SGD Annabella Jun? Hindi, when we have to accept it, hindi rin lahat talaga ng tao sa mundo mag-join dito.
Correct. Yes.
Ang hindi dapat sila mag-join lahat ha. Kasi kung mag-join ang lahat, sino mag-spa sa atin? Sino mag-manicure, pedicure sa bed? Sino mag-gana sa buhok mo, ang ganda ng hairdo mo today? Mag-makeup? Pag-gaganyan gasolina sa sakyan natin, di ba? So, hindi naman talaga lahat pwede mag-join. Sa aeroplano, sino masiserve natin ng mga flight stewardess? Right? So, that's fine. It's okay. No? Yeah, so, rejection don't stop you. Failures don't stop you. You stop you. At the end of the day, whatever it is, everything starts in us, and everything also ends in us. Nasa atin talaga yan. And when I made a decision to do this actively, seriously, January of 2010, when I was still working in Dubai, there was no looking back. So that's like 10 years ago. 12 years ago. 12 years ago. Even nagtatrabaho ako, daytime, gabi ginagawa ko siya as part-time. And then I have studied, do research, nag-learn. I surrender myself of, having learning from the coaches, from the successful people, how to open mind all the time. I-empty mo lang ang brain mo kasi minsan sa sobrang dami na iniisip mo obligasyon at mga distraction everyday. At hindi lang yan yung pride natin, yung ego natin, ang arrogance, lagi andyan. But if you're willing to eliminate it ASAP, ang bilis po ng success. Ang bilis talaga. And, rejection. Bigla nag-flash ko sa memory ko before I'll end. More than 2,000 years ago,